I don't find this week amusing at all.
I don't know why, because this is great.
I'm tired. Am I tired? Yes.
I wouldn't know.
Welcome to Unveiled Reality, hosted by Helen Graham and Donald Miranda, a series built on honest, engaging conversations about weddings, style, and the realities behind the planning process. From joy and pressure to trends and budgets, we pull back the curtain on what it all truly involves. Through interactive segments and expert insight, the series offers clarity, inspiration, and reflections that connect not only to weddings, but to real-life experiences along the way. This is Unveiled Reality.
Before I check in on you, because you're obviously crashing out over there, let me check in on our viewers. How are you doing? I hope you had an amazing week, and I wish you all the best for the week ahead. All right?
Yes, we do.
Now let me check in with you, Miss Ma'am. How are you doing?
That's questionable right now, but I had a fantastic week. Busy as usual.
Yes.
But it was fantastic. But Donald had me here working overtime, so I am. Yeah. I'm tired, but I'm loving it. I am loving it.
Okay, McDonald's.
Happy meeting. All right.
Well, thank you for asking me.
How was your week, Donald? How was your week? I did miss you.
Yeah. No, I miss you too. I did. And it was a great week. Very productive. And I couldn't wait to come back in this space with you. I was looking forward to it. Especially with all the excitement we now planned. Thank you so much. But talking about that excitement, let's just get right into it, because we'll be looking at a few trends this week. Starting with draping. It's back. And as you can see, she did the most for us on set here. How do you feel about this?
I'm loving this new trend. Guys, we are draping everything. Cake table, head table, backdrop, everything is being covered in fabric. And I am loving it. And for this trend, you can do it. Now we have all whites here, because I am a modern girl. I love modern decor, clean, classic look.
Yeah.
You can do it in multiple colors. Moss green is trending right now. Emerald green is trending. Yeah, I am loving it.
Also, I'm trending. The green, kind of.
And if you notice on the table, we have a number of trends, not just the draping. We have bud vases. They are in trend. Everything but, and I mean, I just love bud vases. You use less flowers, but you use multiple vases. I think we have about 24 vases on the table right now.
Or more.
And this is a 6-foot table. So remember, guys, for trends, there is a budget to think about and the work that it takes to pull it together.
We've discussed like the good aspects of it. Like it looks good, it looks clean. I'm sure the photos will look amazing. But what about the not so good aspects of draping? For me, I know at the top of the list, there's the cost.
Cost. Fabric is costly. Even when we're doing the cheapest fabric, it's costly. And this look does not take the cheapest fabric. Alright? So, draping can cost you anywhere 100,000 up, depending on how big the space is, depending on how wide the table is, because this is a 6-foot table. Usually when we're doing a look like this, we use 8-foot tables. Yes, so draping does cost. And as I say, if you're on a budget, you don't have to do every single table. You can just do draping in some particular area. I think even on the Instagram page, we featured a chair with draping. So depending on your budget, yeah, you can incorporate the look. But I am also loving, if you're seeing this, I think I featured this also on my Instagram page. It looks like real candle, right?
It feels real.
Right, so these things are trending right now, especially if you're doing a wedding in a windy area.
But hello, with this much fabric, you don't really want to
Right, so I love these wax light candles, these fake candles, or it feels so real.
Oh, and we didn't mention the Real Touch flowers too.
Oh yes.
Yeah, they look real.
Hold on.
They look real, but they're not. But they feel real too.
When you touch them, Lord, let me take this off. When you touch them, it feels like real petals. So people have been doing. We advertise silk and real. Okay, real flowers mixed with silk. But when I say silk, I'm talking about high quality silk. I prefer to use high quality silk because it gives you a more realistic look. And my team will tell you this. I was very resistant to using fake flowers because I am a girl that loves things to look really high end.
It has to be fresh.
But this, look at it. This is, and it smells.
It does have a nice
so
fragrance,
good, right?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. So for this trend, then, for this one, are we? Oh, what are you? Oh, you're showing this one as well.
Hydrangeas, love it.
And they do look real too. This one. So yeah, I'm for it. So we just basically mentioned 3 trends. So let's just go ahead and decide if we're gonna trash them or we're gonna keep them. All right. So starting with the draping, trash or toss?
Trash or toss?
No, I just dash everything. No, we're gonna take it or trash it. What are we doing? We're taking it.
I love draping.
I love it too. I love it. I'm all for the drama, and it's giving me exactly what I want. And what about the Real Touch flowers? Take or trash?
I am taking it because let me tell you, the monochrome.
Go ahead.
The red on red, the pink on pink, white on white. I am taking it. And it's so cost effective. I mean,
that's what I thought you were going to say. I didn't think you were going to talk about the colors. I thought you were going to say it's so cost effective.
Real Touch flowers are expensive. It's more expensive than silk flowers, but it's almost as expensive as real flowers. But you can reuse them, and that is why we use them, because you can reuse them. I love the options of colors. Some real flowers you can't get in like baby blue.
Yes, and it's dependent on the season too. You call the flower shop and you hear, oh, this is not in the season.
Or we can't get.
But you know what's always in? Your Real Touch flowers.
I am loving it.
All right, so let me just get right to the trash or keep or trend game then. Do you want us to go into that segment right now?
Yeah, we can do that.
Since we kind of started with the flowers and everything, right? All right, so let's just do it now. Micro weddings or large guest lists?
Micro for me.
Micro for me too.
Yeah,
we talk about this. Yeah. Intimate but grand experience. Intimate but grand. Okay, go ahead. What are your thoughts?
As I said, I love micro weddings. Micro weddings are wonderful. If you're even on a small budget, you can only do a full trend look with 2 tables instead of 10 tables.
Yes, because this is looking good. Listen, the wedding could have keep right here, so.
Exactly.
No, it could.
Ceremony, reception. Ceremony,
reception. There you go. Next up, LED dance floors or traditional dance floors?
Oh, I don't like the LED dance floors. I honestly can't get with it. It looks like disco. What do you call it? Disco Inferno.
Yeah.
I don't like the LED dance floors. I'm so sorry.
I don't either. I hate it. I really don't. It just doesn't age well. Like years from now, we're gonna look back and we're gonna what were we thinking? You know, like give me the traditional dance floor, white dance floor, clean. Maybe our logo on it.
I've even done, and I think I'm going to show you this. I have done a dance floor with florals in the corners. And it was beautiful. It was fabulous. I don't want an LED dance floor. Sorry, no.
All right. So now the next one. All right. So we that's pretty clear. We're tossing LED dance floors and we're keeping the traditional ones, right?
Yes.
Next up, we have the statement floral installations or the minimalist floral statement.
No, I also like minimal.
I think it depends.
It depends.
It depends.
If it's a good installation, but I love clean.
All right, and the final one. Oh no, I have two more here. I have to mention this one. So all white wedding or mixed color palette. That's tough because it depends. You have to skill with the mixed one, do you know? You have to have style and flavor. You know?
I will
You have to
do
know what
like
you
a
are doing.
nice blush.
Yes.
I would do like a nice blush
Yes.
with white, and I love blush, guys.
I know.
And just a quick tip: if you're ordering flowers, a blush is quicksand. That's the color that you need to order. So if you go and order blush, you may get baby pink. So if you're ordering roses, ask for quicksand roses, and I love it. But
So we're keeping both. It really just depends
on how
again
it's used.
on the venue,
And
how it's used,
And guys, I don't want purple and yellow and red and
green, the
and
complementary
pink.
colors.
When somebody comes to me with like 5 different colors of the color scheme, I ask which two do you want to use most.
Oh, God.
We'll use some of the other colors, but I think for a classy tabletop, not more than 3 colors.
All right, and lastly, social media ready decor or guest focused design.
I am going to say guest focus design and photographer focus design. Why? Lighting, design, everything looks good on social media, all the fantastic lighting, but can your photographer actually shoot your cutting of the cake, your head table with the purple lights? Can he actually see?
I'm
Guest
hoping
focus decor. I'm sitting at the table, I'm looking through
the garden.
to talk to somebody else. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Experience. What am I experiencing?
You know what? It's both for me. I want a mixture, a balance, because guest focused design, of course, but it has to be social media ready, my love.
Yeah, me no say
No,
you're
it
a
has to be,
social
man.
media person.
I want it
Listen,
to.
I've
No,
had
but
brides
social-
who are 2 hours late taking the social media ready photos. Like
Yes.
that makes.
But wait, what social media ready photos? It don't mean that it's gonna be on social media. We just mean that it looks good.
Yeah,
So,
but
we
listen,
need those
you make
perfect
your-
photos for
I think I
our.
had a bride that was
gallery
3
wall
hours later.
and-
Mother almost hit the ceiling.
And then she should have hit the ceiling because it's her day. It's her day.
Yeah, but why are you having your guests wait 2 to 3 hours in the hot sun?
I do one
for
day
you
you go
to
wait
take the
for me.
photo?
I do one day you go wait for me in a life. So I think that's fine. Wait. You can wait a little bit. No?
I'm not agree
Yeah,
with
man,
that.
3 hours not so long.
I am tossing that those whole but social media photo shoots and
Again, for me, it's not necessarily social media. It's the photo album. It's after the wedding. You know? So it's not really about posting it.
can I mention something?
Of course, of course.
Social media thing good because don't ever take photographer advice from your peers. Let me mention that. But
Mention.
yeah, you want good photos, but where do you draw the line? Why do I have to wait 2 hours in the hot sun on you to do all your photos?
But you're drinking and having a good time. There's cocktails, free food. Come on.
Alright, guys.
Why you think me give you that little cocktail hour so that you can dine the way I do while me I do my business? Okay?
That's the next thing to add from a planner. I have a timeline and I have food sitting.
Well, tell me about that
And-
timeline so I can pay you more.
And you
For your
are
time.
taking photos at 3 hours.
Yes.
And the food is waiting.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh
We're gonna
my
be here
God.
all night. So yeah. All right. So now we're moving on to another segment, but for this one we're gonna be discussing things a bit more. But I can see our producer saying like we're running out of time, so we kind of need to also move along a little faster. All right.
You're the one that's holding. Well, let's go.
Oh my God. All right. So fashion and beauty. That's first on it. The first category, and we're talking about dress changes.
Did you see Venus Williams?
Oh yes, I did. Who didn't? We all did.
11 dresses
We
and
all
12
did.
dresses?
It was fabulous. It was
Oh
really
my
fabulous. And it was a multi-day wedding. So, I mean, you can definitely
Understand
do as many
that.
changes as you want if it's a
Definitely.
multi-day wedding. It's a keeper for me. Keep it. It's your one day dolly down. Do the things then. Get 10 dresses if you want. But it just comes down to time management and planning
That's
with
exactly
your event
what
planner
that is
on the
exactly.
day.
It has to be done properly, guys.
Yeah.
If you're doing multiple dress changes, it has to be done at the right time. It has to be done at the right moment so that your guests don't miss you. Your husband at that time don't miss you. He's not sitting alone by himself. It has to be done at the right
So
time.
quickly, because the thing is, what happens is the bride gets comfortable. She heads back, right? She's coming out of this dress. She's been in it for like 5 hours. So she's going back there now. She takes off whatever. And she just kind of like, she takes a breath. She takes a moment. But just make sure the moment not too long. That's the problem, right?
Yeah.
All right. So anything else to add to that one, or no, that's it?
No, that's it. It's
That's
just
it?
timing is important. I love multiple dress changes, just timing.
All right, so we're on the dress. We're gonna now talk about illusion mesh. How do you feel about that? Oh, you
I'm
smile a
taking
little.
it. I am taking it.
I'm taking
I
it too.
love to
Is that
see.
illusion mesh? I got married in I know.
No.
You can't tell. No. But see that one. You were like,
I am taking it, but guess what, guys? It has to be all in the right places.
oh yeah, yeah.
Donald is a master of designing
The
that,
right coverage.
Right coverage.
The next one is the 6-inch heels. If you can, yes.
If you can.
Good, yeah, take it if you can. But if you can't, then just be mindful that you're gonna be standing or you're gonna be in these heels for like 4 hours maybe. You know, from when you get ready, put on the dress to when you're
Walking down the aisle, standing in the ceremony, come back down for your recessional, stand and take some photos.
signing
Guys, I've had brides that start to shed some tears.
because of the pain. The pain is
I
real.
am actually in a video. Bridesmaids also need to be mindful of that because I am in a video during the ceremony, going to a bridesmaid car, going first to hear what she wants during the ceremony, going to her car to get her slippers, coming to take her out of the shoe and put on the slipper. Yes, because it was that uncomfortable.
Not on my wedding day. Not on my wedding day.
Guys,
she would have to. First of all, I guess they never have any meetings before because she would know, so she have to stand up there and take the pain. You know what I mean? Not on my day. Why you go? No, not on my day. No. Would have to start on my wedding day. Would have to start it over.
Oh my God.
No.
But guys, comfort is important. Make sure the shoe that you're wearing, you are comfortable in it for a few hours. Test it out. If it starts to hurt within the first 5 minutes,
Toss it. That's what we're saying. And that takes us to impractical decor and seating. And we're gonna firstly discuss the circular tables. And
I
all
love
of
the
those.
unusual shaped tables, the serpentine tables, circular seating, both for ceremonies and for receptions. But guys, you have to have the space to do it. You have to have the right location. It looks, if you don't have enough space, it can look very impractical, especially you have the waiters passing over your back. You know, the waiters can't pass between the chairs and the tables. It has to be very practical. That's what I will say.
We love it. Keep it, but the space is important. It really depends on the space. For everything, the decor, the flowers, the draping, the budget, the pockets.
Let me say this, and
because you're gonna have
we're
to
going to
pay.
discuss budgets in another
No, that's a whole episode to
But
itself.
guys, to do this on a long table instead of one centerpiece on a circular table.
Wow, thank you for that. For putting it into perspective because this is one table
versus
24. This is
this
what?
is a 6-foot table. Usually do an 8-foot table, so double this on one table. And if you're doing say 50 guests, that's 8 tables.
Yeah.
Budget.
What about your monochromatic color schemes? How do you feel about your monochromatic
That's what you do?
color
Yes,
schemes?
I am here for it.
Yes.
I am here for it.
So
I
if you're
love
all
it.
white, like
All
now,
white,
so
all reds,
white.
purples, different shades, greens.
All right, so I think you really want to talk about this one. So we're keeping it. We're keeping it. Again, it really just depends. Style. You have to have style and flavor.
It has to be done
and
properly.
Put it together.
That is where having a professional planner, event stylist is important. It's not just throwing things together. I have seen some DIY.
Throw together.
Yeah.
Balance. It's important.
Balance.
Yeah, just balance the thing. That's what we're saying. I know you'll be excited to talk about this one. Champagne towers.
Guys, I love seeing champagne towers. For indoor locations and with the right glasses, no problem. But if you're having, guys, a beachfront wedding where it's windy, I don't think that's practical. Or if your planner quotes you for a champagne tower and you bring plastic glasses to do the tower because you want to cut costs, it can't handle the structure that needs to be done. So it's going to be important, guys, that if you want the champagne tower, right location, get advice from your planner. Right glasses is important. Important. Location, glasses.
All right. So we're moving on, but not quite. There's a social media trend that's replacing the more traditional boutonnieres for more modern ones. And we're going to do a demo for us to decide if we're going to take this trend or we're going to toss it.
Are we?
All right. Yes, we are. So you're going to be leading, of course, because you're the expert here, and I'm going to do my best to keep up. All right? Deal? Or no deal?
No deal.
Deal. Let's
okay, let's look at this trend. I've been seeing these videos all over social media, with the boutonniere. And what boutonniere are we referring to? We are referring to the boutonniere that is being done with our lovely plastic cases. Right? Alright, guys, so we have been seeing the pocket boutonnieres being done, and I have a pack right here. Who has seen these? I'm sure you have. If you're on social media and you're looking around for your weddings, I'm sure you have seen the pocket boutonnieres.
Here we go.
You do have the option to, you can glue the flower onto it, but we're not going to glue it.
Or tape. You can also tape it, right? You
can also tape, right? And put it in. But what I'm going to do is that we are just going to be, and we're using silk flowers. We're on a budget.
Okay,
right?
yes.
We're doing the budget version. So we're going to be using silk flowers. And I always say, measure the stem with the case.
With the case?
Yeah.
All right.
So we have some that have been pre-cut. We did some cutting before, and I tend to use unconventional materials. I don't like baby's birth, and I'll use baby's birth, but I like fillers that are unconventional. So we're going to be placing, and we're doing this for the camera. So Donald is going to be filling in, right? I think I am going to put in another piece. Donald, make sure it looks good enough. Yeah. I think about this.
Okay. Nice.
I'm also going to use something like this. You can also tape it. There's something you can tape, but we're doing this quickly. Oh. I like this.
And I'm done. I'm done.
Guys. And then,
of course, we don't have a blazer on.
You don't have a blazer on.
We don't have a blazer on to tuck it in there in the pocket. But this is the trend. This is it, the completed trend. I'm ready to do the walk.
But guys, this trend, I mean,
how do you feel about
it? I don't like it. I think it's too much.
I think it's too much too.
I see them doing it. I tend to like just a classic look. And guys, we know you don't have to use pins. We now have the magnetic clip holders or boutonniere, so you're not struggling to pin. I tend to like, and I'm gonna cut this.
Well, you know what? For me, this was quick. It was easy. It was kind of fun as well. But really, and it is cost effective. But yeah, it's a no for me. It's just too much. It's too much. One stem
Classic
will do.
boutonniere
One stem, you can put it here. One stem will do.
with a little berry. I love using berries in my decor.
You love using the berries?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
love using berries, and even just a little. And this is fake flowers, guys, and it still look good.
It
So imagine if we're using real flowers.
So for this trend, I'm gonna toss it. I'm gonna toss it. That's it. That's it. We're tossing it.
Oh
What
my
about
God.
you? How do you feel?
I'm
Are you
tossing
tossing it or are you taking it?
I am tossing it. I am
tossing
not
it.
feeling it. I still like my classic. I still like a man in just a classic flower.
Okay. So I think you have a special announcement.
Oh, so
Mhm.
on our first episode, we were
Yes.
giving away a few gifts, and we have one winner.
One lucky winner.
She won a $20,000 gift certificate courtesy of Helen G. Bridal that will go towards her dress rental or her dress purchase. And Melissa, we will contact you. Thank you so much for participating. We did appreciate it. We'll do other giveaways throughout the season, guys, so look out for it.
Look out. And that brings us to the end of this episode
Of wedding trends.
What did you, of Unveiled Reality. I'm like, Unveiled Reality.
But the episode is trends. That's what Donald used to say back in the day.
Back in the
Trends,
day.
trends, and more trends.
You can find the video, it's there. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. And we thank you for your continued support. We see you and we appreciate you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We do appreciate it. And thanks again. Looking forward to next week when we
Yeah.
will be
Going behind the scenes for a site visit for a wedding that we have coming up. And the caterer will be stopping by with some of this year's tastiest trending foods for us to try. And I can't wait. I'll be taking my to-go container, just so you know.
That. Me and my two kids them already.
What? Just put in the mix. Put in the mix. Come on. Come on.
Alright, we'll try this one for you.
Please.
Some for you.
Please. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye. Thank you. No, you don't say that, no.
No.
Listen, I want to
Hello,
go home right now.
maybe not show up. You have to tell me the food up on the table.
Alright, we're leaving food for you.
Thank you.